My video guide is about removing the malicious pop-ups by the site networkchains.co.in. Networkchains.co.in is a really dangerous site that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. This site tries to make you click on allow, supposedly to help you fix your infected computer, but these pop-ups try to actually deceive you and to make you download and install certain potentially unwanted applications. Do not trust these pop-ups and do not click on any buttons such as allow button or scan button or any other buttons, because this may redirect you to a lot of deceptive places in the internet. And as I said, this may infect your computer. These pop-ups are totally fake, so leave this page. I recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of this scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.